molecule called macromolecules. When the number of monomers is large, the compound is sometimes called a high polymer. Polymers are not restricted to monomers of the time. Chemical conversion or molecule weight are structured.
As you can see, this student is showing inappropriate behaviors. Firstly, he's coming late to the class and just sit right away, without even apologize to the lecturer. Other than that, he's also wearing inappropriate clothes to the class.
So how to improve this behavior? He should be wearing proper attire and come early to the class. AIMAN, you come early today.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Many inorganic polymers also are found in nature.
While the lecturer is teaching, he must fully pay attention and keep his phone off.